Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will not be doing a cooking demo. I will be bringing awareness to another small Indo-Caribbean business or West Indian business. So this business today, I'm going to be showcasing Swasti Vaatika. Now, basically, if any of you guys are following them on Instagram, which I see a lot of people are, they basically share a lot of knowledge about Hinduism and the Hindu religion on their Instagram page or Facebook page. And they of course also post YouTube videos and stuff explaining whatever they are talking about on that certain day. Well, they also sell art pieces. Now they sell canvases, they sell stickers, and they also sell these foil art frames. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what I got from them. I went ahead and I purchased one, and I'm super excited to see what is in this box. Now I ordered it and it came in the mail yesterday, and I had to wait so this way I could show you guys first what I got in this. So before I open the box and I show you guys exactly what I got, I just wanted to say that you can find all of their contact information down in the description box below. Remember, I said they post YouTube videos pertaining to Hinduism, educational videos, and they also make posts on Instagram and Facebook. So I'll have all of that linked down below, and I'll have their associated accounts linked below. They're also launching their new website, I found out, so that will be in the description box once it is published, and then you guys can go ahead and check them out. Now, if you're Hindu and you want something like this, if you want pieces of art for your home, for your dorm rooms, for your space, just to decorate it a little bit, I totally recommend them because these pieces are unique. They're really cool, and again, you're supporting somebody's hustle, supporting somebody's small business. So the box, of course, is labeled really well. It says fragile, so this way nothing breaks. Remember, these are frames, so like there's glass on it. So they take all precautions necessary so this way nothing breaks in the process. So I can already see that besides that big box, they also put it in this material which is very squishy, and they also have it in bubble wrap. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this first layer off, and it comes with like a little card inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that first, and look how cool that is, guys. It's like a wax label to stamp the letter shut. That's pretty cool. So basically just says thank you for your purchase, and on the back it has their social media, it has the website for their religious posts, and their art page will be up later. I'll have it all in the description box down below, so you'll be able to see all of that. So now for the main star of the show, what I ordered. So I think this looks pretty cool, guys. So these foil art pieces are really cool because it comes with the god that you choose. It comes with a prayer in Sanskrit writing, and then it also comes with the prayer in Hindi translated from the Sanskrit. So I think these are pretty cool. Now, I opted for the Mother Durga picture. I really like this one. I was begging the girl who makes these to come up with a Durga design because I really wanted one like that. Now, they have most of the other main Hindu gods, and she's coming up with more and more ideas and more designs. So I hope you guys go ahead and check them out. Remember, you can check them out on Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. Everything will be down below. And if you guys are interested in one of these unique pieces, please go ahead and reach out to them and get one for yourself. As I said before, they have canvases, they have stickers, and they also have these foil art pieces. So I'll have pictures towards the end of this video just showing some of the other pieces and designs that they have. So this way, if you're interested, you can contact them and you can buy from them. Now, you can always go out and buy from like a well-known store, a religious store, or anything like that. But I truly believe buying from a small business is even more special because you're supporting somebody's goals, you're supporting somebody's, hustle or something like that. And, with my YouTube channel, it's the same thing. I get all of the support from you guys from my little hobby that I have going on. So I wanted to do the same for somebody else. So this is just a shout out to other small businesses, whether you're Indo-Caribbean or not. Please go ahead, if you want to be featured on my channel, you can send me a product or you can send me whatever, and I will feature you on my channel, just to bring awareness to everybody's little small business going on. So I'll have all the pictures coming up in the rest of the video, and again, all of their info will be down below. Check them out, and if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet, and of course, leave your wonderful comments down below. Let me know what you guys would like to see next on my channel. I'll see you guys again very soon. Bye, everyone.
Hey Krishna Madhusudana, Krishna Madhava, Hey Krishna Madhusudana. केशवा माधवा हे कृष्ण मधुसूदना